rolls as well, as opposed to just darting side to side. It's pretty good. I think this is definitely my new favourite. Got my pieces separated now. Got them sanded down, smooth, ready to be kind of temporarily stuck together, and then have ready to have the stencil drawn on them, and then cut out. So I'll just do that now.
Get snow that's icy.
So now I'm going to go ahead and glue in the wire first to the one side and then press the two halves together. There we go, that worked out pretty good. Nice raffle to it. Okay, pretty annoyed about this, but probably the worst case scenario has just happened when drilling out the lead. This one here went literally a millimeter too deep and hit the insert and then just ripped itself apart. This is what it did to it, just ripped it up and snapped it. So just gonna have to see if I can salvage it, to be honest. Got it glued back together. It's not looking good, to be perfectly honest with you. It was looking so nice before. It was so nice looking, so smooth. And now it's got about 6 of my fingerprints all over here from where glue has been wet, and I've been trying to pinch it together and then just ripped off. Yeah, look again. But I think it is salvageable. I do have some ideas, so hopefully I'll just keep going with what I'm doing and hopefully be able to pull it out of the bag. But yeah, it is looking pretty horrific, to be honest with you right now. What I've done here is I've just gotten some 30-minute epoxy and mixed a small amount of that up, and added a whole bunch of sawdust to it like I was doing with the super glue, but I just thought I'd see how it turns out using epoxy rather than super glue. So I spread the forbidden peanut butter over the top of it, and now I'm just going to leave it overnight and then yeah, come back to it when it's fully cured and then sand it smooth. So hopefully we can pull this back. I'm sure that we probably can. I think maybe.
It's not as icy.
I didn't really particularly like too much how it came out when using that stuff to try and make some scales, so I tried to smooth it out. Kind of worked decently to get them out, but then again, kind of not. But I'm not really too fussed about it, to be honest. I've managed to polish it up and got it like super shiny, so I'm just going to put a clear coat on it, leave it overnight, and then paint it tomorrow. So fingers crossed the clear coat goes well. You guess you'll know in a few seconds whether it does or not, but it will be like 12 hours for me at least.
color you want, just give us a fabric we